Alright, so my topic is on cyberbullying. So what is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is the use of electronic communication to bully a person, typically by sending messages of an intimidating or threatening nature. Cyberbullies are hiding behind computer screens tormenting their targets. They create hate groups about someone. They could even Photoshop someone's photo to embarrass them. They record and post fight videos. They spread rumors and gossip through text messages. And they can steal someone's identity to create a fake profile. Cyberbullying prevalence. Cyberbullying typically starts at about 9 years of age and usually ends after 14 years of age. After 14, it becomes cyber or sexual harassment. Cyberbullying usually affects 65 to 85% of kids. 90% of middle school students polled that they had their feelings hurt online. 50% has seen or heard of a website bashing of another student. So, types of cyberbullying. So, flaming. Flaming is online fights using electronic messages with angry and vulgar language. Exclusion is intentionally excluding someone from an online group such as a buddy list. Denigration is dissing someone online, sending or posting cruel gossip or rumors about a person to damage his or her reputation or friendships. And impersonation is breaking into someone's account, posting as that person, and sending messages to make the person look bad. Outing and trickery is sharing someone's secrets or embarrassing information or images online, tricking someone into revealing secrets or embarrassing information which is then shared online. So, responding to cyberbullying. Usually what children need to do is save evidence, which could be emails, blogs, and they should never delete any messages received. Try to identify the cyberbully if possible. Tell them to stop. Contact the parents of the cyberbully. Contact your school and contact the police. So, there's actually 5 types of bullies. One being power hungry. This person usually seeks attention from peers and maintains control by intimidating the victim. Wants reaction, controlling with fear. Retaliating victim is usually a cyberbully who has been bullied in the past. They seek revenge on bullies, and they may be less popular, but usually has above average computer skills. Third is mean girl. These are usually bullies for entertainment value and to alleviate boredom. Aims to increase their own popularity by putting others down. They're often in a group, and they intimidate on and offline. So, vengeful angel is usually a cyberbully who seeks revenge on behalf of those who have been bullied. They aim to protect friends, and they don't see themselves as a cyberbully. Lastly is inadvertent cyberbully, which they usually use internet carelessly, so without considering potential impacts on others. They don't intentionally hurt others. They role play and they respond, and they may not realize it's cyberbullying. So I think that we all should help stop cyberbullying. The end.